Hey traders, let's have a look at the fear index, the VIX, Chicago Mercantile Change Volatility Index. I bought the VIX down here, and I got scared and I got out like up here for like a small profit or something, and then like a week later it shot up. I'm like, oh damn it. So anyway, sometimes when trading, right, sometimes with trading it's more just being patient and allow the trade to do what it needs to do. So I did that recently with the trade. I wasn't patient enough. So anyway, moving on now to the VIX. Now, the reason, guys, don't place a trade based on this video. Trading is risky. Past performance, future performance. There's no guarantees of making money on every single trade. So just be smart about what you're doing, guys. Before I start this video, guys, free trading course, coaching, all that sort of stuff. Links in the description. Also, my book is also in there as well too. Let's get into what the fear index. You know, there's a lot of fear in the market that's built up over time. Now, the reason I'm doing this video is to share with you: is the VIX trying to tell us something that's happening with the stock market, which also goes inside with what's happening with gold? Because they're all starting to build a picture, aren't they? We're getting those lower highs on the stock market. We're getting those higher lows on the gold. Gold looks like it's going to take off. Stock market looks like it's going to take down. And now we're getting, in the recent times, we're getting this boost of big volatility in the markets, right? Big boost of volatility here. So, is the market telling us something is VIX telling us something? Now, I want to share something interesting with you. Check this out here. This is it's actually really weird, or it's just pretty cool actually if you look at the volatility index. You know, there's a lot of fear in the market right now. And as you can see, let me actually bring this up here. I started this trend line here back in 2016, and you can see it connected there, it connected there, it resisted there, it resisted there, and it resisted there. Now look what happened recently for the last few weeks. This is a weekly sort of candle bar. Look what happened for the last few weeks. Not only did we break above my moving averages, but now we broke above it. Look at this 1 week here, held support, and right now, where are we? We're actually right at that trend line once again. We're holding that support level, aren't we? So the question I got to ask you guys is that this is the very first time we've actually broken out of this big triangle pattern, this massive triangle pattern. This is the very first time we've broken out of that in the VIX. And so that's telling me, especially right here, this is showing me that the fear in the market right now, the last few weeks, has gotten so much greater than I would say over the last, say, 12 months. Maybe 12 months. Yeah, I'd say around, say, 6 to 12 months at least, right? You can see through here, we're just going sideways, but you can see how we're just compressing down and compressing down and compressing down. It's like a stock chart. It's really weird. This fear index even just gets responds to this here. But you can see over here what's happening right now. Let me blow this right up. You can see how we've just broken out of this resistance line through here, and now we're actually finding support. So this is actually holding up here. Is this telling us something? Is this telling us that we're about to get this in the VIX, and then we're about to get this in the stock market, and we're about to get this in gold? I'd like to see what you guys think about it.